Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And hey guys, I have something new today that I purchased with my own money. So this here is a package that came to me in the mail. I ordered it last week and it is the legendary lady, the Metabolism Wake Up Cup. Have you heard of this? I had not heard of it and I seen it on one of the channels. As a matter of fact, it was on Life with Mike. Yeah, Life with Mike. If you haven't gone over and seen his channel, he has a lot of reviews of regular foods and drinks, and sometimes he'll have meal preparation that they prepared a meal and show, and he also has early morning prayer devotion every morning, and it's only about 5 minutes. So if you're interested in having like a little devotion with the Lord and with this little group, little family of Mikes, go over and check him out. And of course you can see the video anytime during the day, but I will tell you, I start my day off watching his little videos and having a little bit of Bible devotion and prayer. And prayer is good because people are asking for prayers. They're needing some help from the Lord, and we all need a little help. So anyways, go see Life with Mike. I'll have his link down in my description. This is where I seen this advertisement, okay? Just so you know where I'm going with this. And it was the Wake Up Cup. They had on there a full presentation, but they offered a free card pack for your metabolism to speed it up, no matter what your age. So I was very interested in that, so I decided to check it out. And this is what was in the packet. I got my Wake Up Cup, 2 packs of this. These were like $24 each. So man, I sure hope this works. There's a 14-day supply and I've got 2 of them. So I didn't have to buy them. I could have got my cards for free, which I did get my cards, and they're inside this sealed envelope. But I wanted to tell you a little bit right here. It says the latest update. We can't seem to keep Wake Up Cup in stock. As each batch arrives, it sells out within days. In fact, WUC has quickly proven to be our most popular product, and women keep ordering it. The largest packages available, and I think you can get up to a 6-month supply. So that is what this drink is. It is a tea that is designed to speed up your metabolism, and I don't know for how effective it's going to be for me, but apparently for some others it's been a good thing. They also gave a jumpstart. They said they gave a lot of free stuff for your bonuses, and I'm just going to have to say that's debatable whether or not I got that. I did get this jumpstart information, but I think it's more visual, you know, like she sends you an email or something with some information and gives you a jumpstart diet, which I do have and I will use. It says how to get the most out of your Metabolism Wake Up Cup. Your Metabolism Wake Up Cup contains rare and powerful nutrients that our body, metabolism, and hormones crave. Consuming these nutrients daily will help you stay on your path to a faster metabolism. WUC Wake Up Cup is also 100% organic and helps fight against disruptors. This means it's perfect daily tool to look and feel your best. And then she's going to talk about coffee, and I do Haylie Pomroy a lot, and Haylie Pomroy does not recommend coffee. And it says, could our morning coffee be making us store more fat? In fact, it's a fact that most coffee and energy drinks skyrocket the hormone cortisol. While cortisol can increase energy, unfortunately has other side effects, and it can make us store fat. Not to mention cortisol also increases stress and anxiety. That means we can get tired but wired. Feeling that can ruin our sleep. Coffee also causes afternoon crashes and the morning energy rush, and that means we reach for more coffee to get more energy. And I'm just going to stop right there because I don't agree with that 100%, because I can drink a cup of coffee before I go to bed and I go to sleep. So coffee doesn't affect me the same way that it might affect most people. So I don't know what to say about that. I've even tested it with Haylie's not doing her program with coffee and doing it with coffee, and I've had the same result. So I'm just not sold on that coffee factor. I don't know if they're just telling you that because they want you to do this instead. I'm not sure in this case. But I will try this without the coffee for a little while just to see if it makes any difference with her program. But what I did get, and I only had to pay $4 and something cents for shipping. Otherwise, these so-called cards were free. And what did I get? Well, I got a bunch of cards in here. No duh. It looks like I got a clean 15, dirty dozen. I guess this is the dirty dozens. Due to the amount of pesticides, these should be organic whenever possible. And okay, again, I will have to agree with her on that. That's very true. And then they've got the cleanup 15, and these are the most powerful ones that I guess can clean up your system. So we have disruptors, and she tells us all the disruptors we should avoid. And then we got these metabolic boosters for everybody. And I'm not going to show this too close because I don't know what the proprietary is on this. And these are cards that were designed for me because I did take a little test, and it's got healthy sugar swabs and for sneaky sugars that you don't know about. And I will tell you a few of them that I know of. Oh, these are in ingredients like corn syrup solids, dehydrated cane juice, all of that are hidden sugars. And then we've got the Fabulous 5 metabolism cards, and I guess that's telling me about my 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these were my cards, and I can go through here, and I guess gives you tips and strategies to go through. But like I said, I'm not going to dwell on this too much. I'll read through it. I'm going to start off on their jumpstart with my little cup of coffee and see if I can't break my metabolism. I feel like I have a fast metabolism because we went on vacation and I can't tell you how much I ate and drank. It's ridiculous how much. Gained 2-3 pounds. That's all. And that 2 or 3 pounds came off. But I should have been going down even more than that, and I can't. It's like I'm stuck. And it's been like that for a while. So I thought, well, I'm going to try something new to see if it'll get me off my stuck. And if it does, that's great. And if it doesn't, it'll just go in the pile of, yeah, I tried that, it doesn't work. But I'm going to try this out and see how it works. And like I said, I bought a whole month's worth. So when I start this, it's going to be a 30-day plan more or less. And the jump start is 4 days. So, and that's just to get you jump start your metabolism, and then you go into this wake up stuff. I don't know exactly when I'll be back with a review and maybe results, but I will be back with that as well, with a follow-up video, and we'll see how it performs and see if I think that you should try it or not. Now, if you are in the market for a diet that I know works for a fact is Haylie Pomroy, and it's the fast metabolism, and you can check that out. The only reason I'm trying this is I think I've been on Haylie's for so long that my body could use something different. And there is some truth to that, where you might have to just try something totally different to jumpstart your metabolism again. And my age, I'm 63 years old, so I'm going to try this and see. And we'll go from there, and I'll be back with you. Oh, and be sure and check my descriptions. I will have information down there for the Wake Up Cup. I'm not an affiliate. I bought this on my own, but I will have their link down in my description that you can go and check them out. And be sure and check for any giveaways that are currently going on, because I do have some are closing. So just check that out, join in if you have time, and good luck to all of you. And as for today and the Wake Up Cup, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.